This is the Randy Newberg. Obviously he helped design this knife. It's quite a lightweight knife, nice touch to the handle, quite a stylish looking knife. Funky way to close a blade. It locks out nicely, but it's got a nice double pin which you just pull back, which releases the blade to close it. It's quite a thick blade knife. Personally, I've been using this for more of a all-round knife. Everything, you could almost, you know, do everything with the deer right through to using it as everyday work knife. As you can see on the end there, I've been taking out staples from the range. I'm prizing them out because it's got a good strong blade, not going to break the blade. It's got a strong handle right through the base of the knife. It's got this serrated blade at the back here, which is, I think it's designed for sinews and tendons and cutting those awkward bits that the knife blade will struggle with. So when it runs across those serrated edges, it will cut through them quite easily. There's a lock for the back. Lock that back down. Forgot the bipod before, I used my binoculars, but another one, forget my sticks. So basically just go for waiting up or something. Got a nice dead tree. In there. Oh yes. Perfecto. I might have to a little bit higher actually, I have to readjust my bipod. A little bit higher, oh yes. Oh yes, perfect. Oh, steady as a rock. Okay, the multi-tool, fantastic bit of kit, but it has to cover so many different areas. Everything from screwdrivers, pliers, cutters. This one's even got some scissors. So you have to accept that the blade probably is not as functional as a purpose-built knife, which is basically the blade is the main object of this bit of kit. Yeah, I must admit, this is a bit of kit I have with me all the time. It's something, you know, you're walking along and you're having to repair a bit of wire or pull a staple out, you know, you've got the pliers to do that. To fix something basic, you know, you wouldn't build a high seat with it or build a new pen with it, but you know, you've got a screw that's loose, you know, you've got the screwdriver. The pliers are just fantastic, you know, something in the tyre, something you're pushing in, also, you know, getting something out of a small hole, it's, you know, they're fantastic.